Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see a very interesting DAX problem. So where I have a table with vehicles and color and sold numbers. So for car blue color sold 5 and red color 8 and truck orange 4 and silver color 10 sold. So my task is like I want to display the most sold vehicle color. Okay, for car it should display red because it is 8 numbers, and for truck 10 sold maximum, so silver color should be displayed in a separate table. Okay, so car should be car red and truck silver. Let's see how to do it. Let's write a DAX. Let's take a measure. Okay, then define a variable here, that is max underscore sold equal to calculate. Okay, max sold. Okay, and apply the filter all except. Okay, with table and vehicle. Okay, so this variable gives me 8 for car and 10 for silver. Okay, then I will use this max sold variable to filter the colors. Okay, so return. Okay, I have to close the bracket here. Okay, return calculate max color. Okay, max color, then filtered by max sold, right? So color is sold is filtered by max sold. Okay, so this will give me red for car and silver for truck. Okay guys, let's see the output. Okay, so take a separate table here. Okay, select vehicle and measure. So red for car and silver for truck. So red 8 sold for car, so red is displayed. For truck 10 sold maximum, that is silver. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.